Hello out there. This is the first ever 2019 CrossPuzzle with spelling project list on the reverse. So to do these activities, you'll need either grid paper or line paper. I'm partial to grid paper because for the math computation, the grid paper allows you to line up your math more easily into columns. And you may need your page M1 where we have the Scrabble spelling amounts. So the way this works is so if you're a math person, every week you can start with the CrossPuzzle. Not crossword, but CrossPuzzle. CrossPuzzle because the math computations will fill up the boxes. So for example, I always like to go to something pretty easy. How about number 6 across? So anything in this column across. So 6 across here will be 524 plus 451. Some people can just write it here and solve it. Others may appreciate the practice of adding these in columns. And you also can carry a little more easily too. 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 975 rather. So 6, there's 6. It's not 6 down though, it's 6 across. 9, 7, 5. And this is it's always good to use a pencil for these because you may get to a point where the answer is 3, 5, 1, 2, and then this, so erase pencils. What else can I tell you? Every math CrossPuzzle will come with its own hidden conversion info that you will need. And some people have memorized certain conversion info data. For example, here it says 12 feet is blank inches. 12 feet, let's go to basic. 1 foot equals, do you know how many inches 1 foot contains? It's the equivalent of 12 inches. So here, where it says 12 feet is how many inches? Well, if 1 foot is 12 inches, 12 times 12 is 144. Well, that was close. Hey Siri, what's 12 times 12? See, it's even taken her.
That would be 144.
It's not just me. Siri, it took her a second too. So 12 feet is 144 inches. And again, this is 12 what? Across, 1 across, so 144. And then I know that whenever I do problem 2 down, the first 2 digits will be 49 something, or it should be 49 something. 2 down is here. 2 down is 108, increased by 385. 5 and 8 is 13. 1 plus 8 is that, and 4. Sure enough, 49 what? 493. So there you go. I've done 1, 2, 3 problems. Pretty good. So that's how you do the math CrossPuzzle. The other thing you'll need to know here, it switches from feet to yards. So a yard, 1 yard, is 3 feet. A foot is 12 inches. A yard is 3 feet. The other thing it might do, here you go, yards to inches. So therefore, 1 yard equals inches. Sorry about that. Not used to using this tripod. So that's the basics on the CrossPuzzle side. On the reverse is our, I call it this the spelling menu. So the spelling menu checklist, first of all, you have to do colorful vowels for everything. So steel, the vowels in steel are the E and the E, and the E and the A, but you have to do the colorful vowels in words that you write. For example, actually, some students have done, check this out, some students have done other-handed, so colorful vowels. Let's do this. Steel, S-T-E-E-L. Okay, so I did colorful vowels for that. And I'm going to have to do S-T-E-A-L. S-T-E-A-L. All right. Oh, and vowels, of course, for those of you students who might need a refresher, A, E, I, O, and U are the 5 main vowels in English. The other sometimes vowel is the letter Y. That's sometimes a vowel too. So, colorful vowels for this week, just the basic words. There you go. Just these words, because it's the first time we've done this. Just those words. Next, after you write all the words and color the vowels, now you have to do other-handed. Now, I am a right-handed dominant person. Most of what I do is right-handed. I can do some things like basketball and using a computer. I can do it with my left hand. So this is what that would look like. So I have to do, same words. So I'll skip a couple lines. S, T, E, E, L. And then S, T, not very easy right now. S-T-E-A-L. Now, why do we do this? A couple reasons. The brain science that I've studied says that when we do things multiple times, it increases the likelihood of retention. So we do it once, twice, and for other-handed, I'm just going to check it off with my other hand. So the check mark won't be as pretty as that check mark, but that's okay. So I did colorful vowels, other-handed, and now I'm going to do something called, the last thing we have to do is called strikethrough. Now strikethrough means, this is an odd activity for a lot of students. I want you to spell it wrong on purpose, cross it out, and spell it correctly. So steal, we're going to spell it wrong, S-T-E-L-E. That's not how you spell it. You actually spell it S-T-E-E-L. The next word is steal, S-T-E, how about Stella? S-T-E-L-A. That's not steal. It's actually T-E-A-L. See, that's why I use the strong mechanical pencils. Oh, for goodness sake. That's why I don't use those mechanical pencils. All right, too heavy-handed. All right, steal, steal. Okay, so that's how you do colorful vowels. That's how you do other-handed. Strike through are these. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3. There you go. Three different activities for spelling, and then the cross puzzle for math. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is. Oh, and then when you're done, since this is the work for math, you can say C grid paper. And then here, for example, see, I didn't use all the paper, so maybe I could just tear off the work that I used and then just staple this. And then my little code is that means staple. It's like it's a circle with a little staple looking thing. And then staple whatever your work is, and that way when I check it, I can go up. Yeah, there's the work. So that's I don't know, how many minutes was that? 6? It's a 6-minute video on your weekly cross puzzle. All right. Aloha. Au revoir.